Professional Development for SOC Analysts. Welcome to Module 13 of our SOC Analyst course. We have covered the breadth of SOC operations, from technical tools to leadership and real-world scenarios. Now, we're focusing directly on you, your professional development as a SOC analyst. Get ready to chart your personal journey and unlock exciting new opportunities. Let's explore your future in the SOC. In the rapidly evolving and highly competitive landscape of cybersecurity, a strong technical foundation is just the beginning. To truly build a fulfilling and impactful career as a Security Operations Center analyst, you must also adopt a proactive approach to your own professional development. This means strategically planning your career path, continuously enhancing your skills, and effectively leveraging the vast resources of the cybersecurity community. It's about recognizing that your learning journey doesn't end with this course. It's a lifelong commitment that drives sustained success and opens doors to exciting new opportunities. By the end of this module, you will be able to 1. Identify key industry-recognized cybersecurity certifications relevant to various SOC roles. 2. Outline effective strategies for building a structured and progressive career path in cybersecurity, specifically within SOC operations. 3. Describe the importance of networking within the cybersecurity community and identify various networking opportunities. 4. Appreciate the value of continuous learning and practical experience in sustaining a successful cybersecurity career. As you embark on your journey towards becoming a proficient SOC analyst, identifying and pursuing the right cybersecurity certifications can be an absolute game changer. These certifications serve as critical validators of your knowledge and skills, signaling to employers that you possess a foundational understanding and a commitment to the field. Let's explore some industry-recognized certifications within a Security Operations Center. 1. CompTIA Security Plus. This is often considered an essential starting point for entry-level cybersecurity positions, including SOC analyst roles. It lays a solid, vendor-neutral foundation in cybersecurity concepts, covering network security, threats and vulnerabilities, application security, cryptography, and risk management. It demonstrates a broad understanding of the core principles every security professional should know. 2. EC Council Certified SOC Analyst (CSA). This certification is specifically designed for aspiring and junior SOC analysts. It focuses directly on the skills and knowledge required to perform the core functions within a SOC, including security information and event management (CEM), incident detection, and basic incident response. It offers a more targeted approach than general cybersecurity certifications. 3. Cybersecurity Analyst (CISA+). Building upon the Security Plus, CISA+ is a more advanced certification focusing on behavioral analytics and threat detection. It's ideal for SOC analysts who want to validate their skills in proactive threat intelligence, vulnerability management, and incident response. This certification emphasizes hands-on, practical skills, which is highly valued in a SOC environment. By acquiring these foundational certifications, you signify to potential employers that you have substantive knowledge, practical skills, and a serious commitment to the cybersecurity field, making you a highly desirable candidate when applying for SOC roles. Advanced and specialized certifications. Beyond the foundational certifications, there are more advanced and specialized credentials that can further elevate your expertise and open doors to more senior or specialized SOC roles. These often require prior experience but provide an in-depth understanding highly valued in the field. 1. Certified Information Systems Security Professional (CISSP). This is a globally recognized, highly respected certification aimed at more experienced cybersecurity professionals, requiring 5 years of cumulative paid work experience. It offers an in-depth understanding of security management, governance, risk, software development security, and various other domains. While not strictly a technical SOC certification, a CISSP gives you a holistic understanding of security strategy and best practices, which is incredibly valuable for senior SOC analysts or managers. Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH). For those seeking hands-on offensive skills, the CEH certification emphasizes understanding attackers' perspectives, methodologies, and tools. This knowledge is invaluable in a SOC context, as it helps you think like an adversary, anticipate their moves, and therefore enhance your threat detection, threat hunting, and incident response capabilities. Knowing how attackers operate helps you build better defenses. GAC Security Essentials, GSEC. This certification covers a broad range of security topics, similar to Security Plus, but is known for its intense hands-on curriculum and emphasis on practical skills over pure theory. It's highly respected and demonstrates a strong foundational understanding applicable across various security roles, including those in a SOC. GIAC Certified Incident Handler, GCIH, a highly technical and hands-on certification specifically for incident response roles. If you aspire to be a dedicated incident responder within the SOC, the GCIH validates your ability to detect, respond to, and resolve security incidents. By strategically pursuing these advanced and specialized certifications, you can significantly deepen your expertise, validate specific skill sets, and position yourself for leadership or expert roles within a SOC environment. How certifications enhance your career. Earning a relevant cybersecurity certification is far more than just adding a credential to your resume. It's a significant investment in your personal growth and a powerful way to enhance your career prospects. 1. Boosted confidence. The process of studying for and passing a rigorous certification exam inherently forces you to expand your knowledge base and solidify your understanding of complex concepts. This rigorous preparation directly translates into increased confidence as you take on new responsibilities and navigate challenges in the demanding SOC environment. You'll feel more prepared to tackle real-world problems. 2. Standing out in a competitive market. For entry-level professionals, obtaining an industry-recognized certification like CompTIA Security Plus or EC Council CSA can help you significantly stand out in a competitive job market. Employers frequently use certifications as a preliminary filter during their recruitment process to quickly identify candidates with verified skills and foundational knowledge. 3. Validation for career transitions. If you're transitioning from a general IT role into cybersecurity, certifications are crucial. They validate your commitment to this new path, demonstrate that you've acquired the necessary specialized skills, and equip you with the foundational knowledge required to manage security incidents effectively from day one. 4. Roadmap for continuous learning. Certifications often provide a structured roadmap for continuous learning. They encourage you to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in a fast-evolving field, which is a highly valued trait by employers.